We've been told for years that the path to human optimization is simple. Eat right, exercise, and get enough sleep. You see it everywhere. Every fitness magazine, every health guru, every social media influencer pushing the same basic message. And for a long time, we all bought into it, myself included. We believed if we just worked harder, pushed through the pain, and followed the generic advice, we'd eventually unlock our peak potential. We thought more effort equaled more results, that sheer willpower was the missing piece. But what if that conventional wisdom, while well-intentioned, is actually holding us back? What if the very methods touted as the ultimate solutions are in fact failing to deliver the profound, lasting changes we truly seek? The truth is, many of us are still stuck. We hit plateaus, we feel drained, and despite all the effort, that feeling of true, optimized performance remains just out of reach. We're constantly chasing a better version of ourselves, only to find the goalposts keep moving. It's a frustrating cycle, a treadmill of effort with diminishing returns. The old paradigms, the broad strokes of health advice, they just aren't cutting it anymore. They're like trying to fix a complex machine with a one-size-fits-all wrench. You might tighten a few bolts, but you're not addressing the intricate systems beneath the surface. This isn't about some miracle cure or another fleeting trend promising instant transformation. Forget the promises of overnight success. What we're talking about here is a fundamentally different approach, a blueprint that works with your body's innate intelligence, not against it. It's about precision, not just volume. It's about understanding the subtle yet powerful signals that govern your biology at its deepest levels. I'm talking about next-gen peptides, but not in the way you might typically think. This isn't about bulking up or quick fixes for athletes alone. This is about a much more refined, targeted strategy for human optimization, one that aims to fine-tune your cellular processes for overall well-being, cognitive function, and sustained energy. The future of human optimization isn't about more, it's about precision. It's about understanding that our bodies are incredibly complex biological systems, and to truly optimize them, we need tools that can speak their language directly. These aren't just supplements, they're molecular messengers designed to instruct your cells to perform at their absolute best. They're about giving your body the exact instructions it needs to repair, regenerate, and thrive. Imagine having the ability to subtly influence your body's natural processes, to enhance your recovery, sharpen your focus, and boost your energy levels in a way that feels completely natural, because it is. This isn't just for elite athletes or biohackers. This is for anyone who feels like they're not quite living up to their full potential. For anyone who wants to move beyond generic advice and truly understand how to control their own biology. It's for those seeking a deeper level of biological control, a way to unlock resilience, clarity, and vitality that current methods simply can't provide. We're moving past the era of guesswork and into an age of targeted biological enhancement. Before we delve deeper into exactly what these peptides are and how they work, do me a favor. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And in the comments below, tell us where you're watching from. I'm curious to see how far this message is reaching. Your input helps us understand who we're speaking to and how we can continue to bring you the most impactful information. Now let's get into the real science of what's possible. Our quest for feeling better, for performing better, isn't new. If you look back, humans have always sought ways to enhance themselves. From ancient herbal remedies used by shamans to the disciplined practices of martial artists focusing on internal energy, the drive to optimize has been a constant. Fast forward to modern times, and we've seen an explosion of supplements, diets, and exercise regimes, each promising the next big leap. We moved from simple tonics to complex vitamin blends, from basic calisthenics to highly specialized gym routines. The intention was always good, to improve health, strength, and longevity. But somewhere along the line, the sheer volume of information and products became overwhelming and often confusing. What started as genuine exploration sometimes turned into a marketing free-for-all. People started chasing trends, jumping from one miracle solution to the next, often without real understanding or lasting results. We collected more knowledge, yes, but it also got diluted, spread thin across countless unproven claims and fads. Think about the average person today. They wake up, maybe feeling a bit sluggish, fueled by too much caffeine and not enough quality sleep. They rush through a stressful day at work, grab something quick and not always healthy for lunch, and then try to squeeze in a workout. They might take a handful of supplements they read about online, hoping for an energy boost or better focus. They probably hit the gym, lift some weights, or go for a run, feeling like they're doing all the right things. But then they get home, still tired, still stressed, and often still not seeing the results they desperately want. This cycle repeats, day in and day out. Their body is like a high-performance car trying to run on cheap, inconsistent fuel, constantly sputtering and never quite reaching its potential. It's not about lack of effort. It's about a mismatch between effort and true biological need. The problem isn't that these traditional methods are entirely bad. Eating well, exercising, and getting sleep are fundamental, but they often fall short because they're too general. A generic diet might cover basic nutritional needs, but it doesn't address specific cellular pathways that might be underperforming in your body. A standard exercise routine builds muscle and improves cardiovascular health, but it might not be optimizing your recovery or reducing inflammation at a microscopic level. Broad-spectrum supplements throw a wide net, hoping to catch some benefit, but they lack the surgical precision required to truly fine-tune your biology. We're still using the same big hammer for every problem, when what we often need is a set of very specific tiny wrenches. This constant striving without fulfilling results chips away at us. It's not just physical, it's emotional. The frustration of trying so many things and still feeling stuck creates a quiet tension. We start to doubt ourselves, wondering if we're just not disciplined enough, or if our bodies are simply destined to be less than optimal. This leads to a subtle sense of plateauing, an acceptance that maybe this is as good as it gets. That feeling of unfulfilled potential, of knowing you could be more, but not knowing how to get there, takes its toll. It's in these moments of quiet desperation, after countless failed attempts with traditional approaches, that we start looking for something different, something that truly understands the intricate language of our own bodies. This is where the real paradigm shift happens, a turning point in our understanding of human optimization. For too long, we've been trying to solve complex biological problems with blunt instruments. Now, a new era has emerged, one where precision is paramount. This isn't about more supplements or harder workouts. It's about understanding the intricate language of our cells and providing them with exactly what they need to thrive. This is the world of next-gen peptides. These aren't some new-age fad. They are the result of decades of scientific discovery, unlocking specific keys that can turn on or off crucial biological processes. They represent a targeted solution, a blueprint for true, deep-level human optimization. The old ways, with their generalized approaches, are now clearly shown to be inferior. We're moving beyond simply trying to boost general health. We're now capable of fine-tuning our biology with incredible accuracy. Let's dive into the 3 next-gen peptides that are redefining what's possible for human potential. First, we have epithalon. This peptide is a powerful regulator of telomerase, the enzyme responsible for maintaining the length of our telomeres. Telomeres are like the protective caps on the ends of our DNA strands. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes senescent, contributing to aging and disease. Epithelon doesn't just slow this process, it helps restore telomere length, promoting cellular regeneration and extending cellular lifespan. Imagine your body's cells getting a fresh start, repairing themselves more efficiently and maintaining their youthful function for longer. This translates into tangible benefits, improved skin health, better energy levels, and enhanced organ function. It's about rejuvenating your body from the inside out, addressing the very root of cellular aging. Next up is cerebrolysin. This isn't a single peptide, but a mixture of brain-derived peptides that mimic the action of natural neurotrophic factors. Think of it as a supernutrient for your brain. It works by stimulating neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, and enhancing synaptic plasticity, which is how our brain cells communicate with each other. This leads to significant cognitive enhancement. Users report improved memory, sharper focus, and better overall mental clarity. But it's not just about boosting performance. Cerebrolysin also offers neuroprotection, shielding brain cells from damage and promoting recovery after injury. It helps maintain the structural integrity and functional efficiency of your brain, making it more resilient to stress and the ravages of time. It's about optimizing your mental landscape, allowing for quicker thinking, better learning, and sustained cognitive vitality. Finally, we have tesamorelin. This peptide acts as a growth hormone-releasing factor, but with a crucial difference. Unlike direct growth hormone injections, tesamorelin stimulates the body's own pituitary gland to produce and release growth hormone in a more natural, pulsatile fashion. This avoids many of the side effects associated with exogenous growth hormone. Its primary benefit lies in metabolic efficiency. It significantly reduces visceral fat, the dangerous fat that accumulates around our organs, and improves body composition by increasing lean muscle mass. This leads to better insulin sensitivity, more stable blood sugar levels, and sustained energy throughout the day. It helps your body become a more efficient, fat-burning machine. Not just for weight loss, but for overall metabolic health. It's about fine-tuning your body's energy production and utilization, ensuring you have the fuel you need when you need it, without the highs and lows. These peptides are not a magic bullet. They are powerful tools to be integrated into a holistic approach to health. They demand informed choice and personal responsibility. Understanding their mechanisms allows us to take charge of our own biology, moving beyond generic health advice to a truly personalized blueprint for optimization. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better, with clarity and purpose.